Okay, you're probably saying to yourself, what the heck am I looking at here? Well, it's Christmas time here in the Villages. And some people have a pillar or a column in their living room or dining room area here. Well, we don't call it a column or a pillar, we call it a snowman. There you go. Really easy to do. Our house, which is an oleander, has two of them. And there's the other one. There's our Christmas tree right there. Really easy to do. I think talking probably about 50 cents of materials, just some black construction paper, maybe an old sock, a black sock. You put that on the top. Maybe an old red dishcloth. And you dangle it down the side there. There's the three buttons for the snowman. And of course, instead of a carrot, we've got an orange piece of paper there for his nose. Really easy to do, and it looks great once you have it up in your living room. Or again, like I say, some houses have it in their dining room. Doesn't really matter, it's Christmas time. So, if you have one of these pillars or columns in your house, I think this might be something you might like to do. Merry Christmas, everybody. From Son of Ma Barker.